Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
A bird found an envelope. It's an invitation from a boy to Sparrow, Elk, and Elephant. Sparrow wanted to go, but she had to stay with her 8 eggs. Keep your responsibilities first. Dear kids, we are looking at letter E and its sound is a, egg, elephant, envelope, elk, ice, 8. Dear kids, do you know what an elk is? What does an elk look like? Are elks big or small? See you in the next lesson.